Hey guys, I wanted to get on here and I want to save you, first of all, save you thousands of dollars when you watch this video. Not just watch this video, but you take notes. Not only are you going to take notes, because when I save you thousands of dollars, you're going to come back and you're going to rewatch this video. And then what you're going to do is you're going to subscribe to my channel. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put your comments in the bottom of the video. And you're going to tell me, Regina, the queen of car loans and credit, you have saved me thousands of dollars. Because that's what I'm going to do. Getting along talking about the video, talking about the subject. If you are looking to buy a new or a used vehicle and you have a trade-in, I'm going to show you how to save thousands of dollars. And the reason I'm going to show you how to save $1,000 is because you are going to leave your trade out of the deal until the end of the negotiations. Okay, being 23 years in the business, I always give solid advice. I always give solid advice on my videos. But this one is golden, golden, golden. So you go into the car lot, you're sitting down with the salesperson, and you already picked out your vehicle. You know the price of it, whether it is a new vehicle or a pre-owned vehicle. You know the price of it, or you're asking the price. You're in the negotiation stage of negotiating the sales price. You get the sales price down to where you're comfortable, or where the dealership is comfortable selling you that particular vehicle at that price. Usually, you know, when you go to a dealership, we say up front, salespeople, myself being a salespeople, we're asking you, do you have a trade-in? I'm asking that up front because I want to put all my numbers together. And I want to be able to, if I need to show you maybe extra $1,000 for your trade or extra $500 for your trade, I can. You know, I'm going to be able to show you that because you told me that in the beginning. So that's in my favor. When you tell us in the beginning you have a trade, it's for our benefit. The dealership is for my benefit. It's for the next salesperson's benefit and the dealership's benefit. But this video, I wanted to be all about you, all about the customer. It's all about you saving. It's all about what you need, not what we want. It's all about what you need and what you want and getting more money. Because there's two things that you can do when it involves a trade. You can negotiate the price and you can negotiate your trade. Again, I'm going to say it to you again. You can negotiate the price and you can negotiate your trade. By leaving your trade out of it, not telling the dealer, not telling the person that you have a trade, is because after you negotiate that price down, then you say, you know what? By the way, I do have this vehicle I want to trade in. But you don't go into the dealership not doing your homework on what your trade is worth. There's too many people come into the dealership and they say, and I say, well, what do you want to get for your trade? Have you looked it up? Have you looked up Cali Blue Book? Did you look in the trade and value? Did you do your homework? That's what I always ask. Did you do your homework? Most of them say no. And I look at them like, I look at them with my glasses on. Really? You didn't do your homework? You don't know how much your trade is worth? Then I put my glasses back on. So go to Cali Blue Book, look it up, find out what your trade is, your trade-in is worth. So anyway, when you go to a dealership, know what your trade is worth. It's very important that you know what you're working with. And then when it says in there what kind of condition your vehicle is, whether it's fair, good, bad, know what your vehicle's worth. Know what your trade-in's worth. And your vehicle is, if your vehicle's in fair condition, don't lie. Don't tell a tale. Because when you come to a dealership, we're going to look at your vehicle. So don't tell a tale. Just be honest. So you come into the dealership, you're going to use your trade at the end. You're not going to tell the salesperson. You're not going to be able to trade until the end. Again, if you listen to the video, you're going to know why. You're going to do your homework before you come in. You're going to know what your vehicle's worth. You're going to know a number that you're going to be comfortable with and a number that you're not going to accept. So do your homework first. So when you come in a dealership, you put the trade at the end, because what happens is if you don't put it at the end and you tell us what you want, you're not going to get what you want in the beginning. Because for one, you're not going to get what you want, is because if you tell us what you want to get, we can negotiate that price. We can lower the price by $500 by giving you more for your trade. So again, if you tell us in the beginning what you want for your trade, we can lower the price of the sales car to give you what you want, versus getting us down to the nitty gritty. After you negotiate the sales price of the car, then you bring your trade in. You might get a little bit more for your trade, because we really want your car deal. After you work this for an hour for the sales price of the car, negotiating that with that, we're gonna work harder to give you a little bit more for your trade. It's because, why? It's because we spent time with you. We have invested in you. You know, when you go to a dealership, dealerships are just not there just because they're there. Dealerships are there to make money. So when we invest time in a customer, we invest time, we want to do business. We don't want it taken away from us when we think we're closing the deal. So if you bring the trade in at the end, then we know that I might just need to work a little harder. But this video is for the customers only. This video was for customers only, customers only, customers only. Salespeople seeing this video, some of my coworkers or anybody in the business, car business, they might be mad at me. Anyway, when I save you $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, I need you to come back after you subscribe to my channel and thank me in the comments. Or if it was value, put in the comments, you got value. Talk to me. Tell me you got value. And have a friend to subscribe to my channel, because I'm sharing information. Information you're gonna need on your next car deal, or your friend's gonna need on their next car deal. All right, thanks for watching. See